In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the region settings in Smartsheet. If you're managing projects across different locations or simply need your settings to reflect your current region, adjusting this preference can streamline your work and ensure that everything displays correctly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account, go to the home page and use your credentials to access your dashboard. This initial step ensures you can make the necessary changes in your settings. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon serves as your gateway to your personal Smartsheet settings, where we'll be making all the adjustments today. Next, you'll be presented with several options upon clicking your profile icon. What you're looking for here is personal settings. Clicking on personal settings will take you into a more detailed settings menu unique to your account. It might take a second to load, so just hang tight. When you're in the personal settings menu, look for the area labeled settings. This section contains various options that control your personal account preferences. Clicking on it will lead you to more specific settings, including the region preferences we're targeting in this tutorial. Now that you're in the settings area, scroll down a bit until you locate the region preferences section. Here you have the option to choose your desired region from a list that includes options like the United States, the United Kingdom, and many others. Selecting the correct region is important because it can impact date formats and other region-specific settings in Smartsheet. Carefully pick the one that corresponds to your current requirements or the location you work closest with. If you're unsure, it might be helpful to check what your colleagues are using or stick with the region in which your organization primarily operates. Once you've selected your desired region, the final step is to make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located somewhere on the screen, and give it a click. This is what locks in your new settings, so don't skip it, otherwise your changes won't take effect and you'll have to repeat the process. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your region settings in Smartsheet, tailoring your workspace to better fit your needs. This small adjustment can enhance your user experience and help ensure that everything aligns seamlessly with your geographic needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.